Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to use confidential mode in Gmail. So first of all, here you guys can see I'm on Google Chrome, and simply just go to gmail.com with any kind of browser you have. Okay, so after going to Gmail, simply just we are going to compose a new mail. Alright, so here you can see, just simply type in that person which whom you want to send this confidential mail. Also make sure you have put the subject and body correctly. Okay, now here you can see that I've done all these things correctly. Now what we are going to do is, you can see that lock icon, you can see right here. Okay, turn confidential mode on or off, so you have to click on that, and here you can see that confidential mode. So what does that, how does that work? Which is, the person or that recipient won't have the option to forward, like whom you are sending this message, he won't be able to forward, copy, print or download this email. All right, and you guys also can select a expiration date, like expires in 1 day, 1 week, or you can select even months if you want. Okay, so that's this thing works like that. So, and here you can see all passcodes will generated by Google. That means if you try to if you are selecting a require a SMS passcode, so it will in the next step it will tell you to give a phone number or contact number, or where a passcode will be sent. Okay, and this passcode will that recipient will need that passcode in order to check out your email. So if you now click on send, here you can see that you can select that country. So there are not much countries available right here. So if you if you are from some country where this does not work at all, what you can do is you can also edit and you can select that no SMS passcode, so that will work for you too, and simply just click on send. Now here you can see your mail is successfully sent. So I'm just undoing this, so because I'm not going to do this. So that's how you can send or like use confidential mode in Gmail. So that was all for today. Hope you like this video. If you still have any kind of confusion and question related to this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5-minute solution.